There are many challenges that are systemic to the U.S. and the defense industrial base that make competition difficult both for small and medium-sized firms, but also for the large primes.
As the administration turns over, we have to set up the agenda for the next administration and tell them what's important during the transition. From a DoD perspective and from an international perspective, we have to sort of project ourselves forward. What are we going to look like in 100 years? And then what's in play here is our actual position in the international community. Manufacturing itself is not a thing, it's a process. And what's happened across the board, across all of in the 21st century, is that we have a convergence of multiple technologies that have created this creative disruption. The technology itself is globalized. You have to create product lines and services more rapidly because the technology life cycles themselves are so short. So in order to be competitive, we have to be competitive in time.
Our core mission is to benchmark where either sectors stand or technologies stand. We try to raise the awareness of the diminishing manufacturing. If you look at the top 7 challenges, we are the top 5. The government, acquisition process, the healthcare, purchasing volatility, regulatory burden. These are people that are dedicating themselves to doing defense work and classified defense work, and yet the problem is not really competition, it's how we do business. In the space sector, you need to balance your investment, short-term, long-term, because you don't know where the market's going. We are losing manufacturing, hands-on manufacturing, to these touchy-feely Google and other things. Even semiconductors, very few employees doing semiconductor work. This is for the 3,700 space companies. We asked them, are you having a hard time and do you have vacancies? And they told us, yeah, I got almost 25,000 vacancies when we did that survey. Where? Engineering, production line workers, test operators. 26% of these defense facilities that do defense work want help from the FBI and others on cybersecurity. We actually are in touch with the FBI right now. We are trying to do better outreach.
Our job is to assist communities in responding to defense impacts. I can only provide technical assistance and financial assistance to entities of government. We are here to assist communities. One of the unique things about OEA is that you get a project manager cradle to grave, and we really try to break down the silos cut across federal government. It's the constant whipsawing of the DoD budget that causes small to mid-sized defense manufacturers an inability to plan. The way to figure out how best to energize a local project is to do a social network map. And so think of that as a supply chain for people. Leadership is ultimately the determining factor in why some projects work better than others. The bigger we're casting the net, the better off we are. Ultimately, it's about taking the stuff you have, aligning it correctly with the right people in charge.